Hi everyone, this is John Nguyen, creator of Majel the Discord bot. Prior to the August 30th, 2022 deadline, Majel would read the Discord messages looking for the exclamation point or slash prefixes and then interpret the rest of the message as a command. After the deadline, this is no longer the case. Discord implemented some measures to protect the privacy of the users on the Discord servers, and this broke a lot of bots, including Majel. Discord did, however, provide a new way to implement commands, and with built-in features. They're mostly positive, but of course, you can't please everyone. In this video, I'll be going over the important Majel commands, as well as the changes after the Discord API changes. First and foremost, if you hosted the version of Majel that supported the slash prefix, you would need to kick that bot, as that bot is no longer supported. Then go to Majel's GitHub page and invite the supported version of Majel using the link found in the README section. For those that was hosting the version of Majel that supported the exclamation point prefix, you won't have to do anything. The updates are automatic and will be converted and use the slash prefix. Let's roll some d20s by typing /d20. You will notice immediately that a graphical interface will appear with the commands and their description. Depending on which bots you have hosted on your server, you may see multiple bots when you type in a command. This is one of the new changes to the Discord API. Bots with the same command names can now coexist, and the user can use one from a specific bot. This wasn't possible before the update. Let's select the correct version of Majel by highlighting and pressing enter or clicking on her. You are now given visual prompts indicating required values. In this case, it's the target value. You can type in the value and press enter. Now, if you want to use any of the optional parameters such as difficulty or critical success, Discord now allows you to pick them in any order. Let's say that the GM allowed us to use our determination for this roll. So let's specify the number of dice to roll. After specifying the target value, you can either press tab or click on the empty part next to the input to bring up the other parameters. You will see a list of supported parameters and a brief description. Let's select the dice parameter, and now instead of typing in the value, you will get a menu showing the possible choices. Same as before, press enter when you are ready to execute the command. These new changes from Discord makes entering commands a lot easier, especially for new users. Like I said earlier, you can't please everyone. In this case, there were some folks that used Majel since she was created, and they wanted to enter the d20 command in the same method before the update. The chief complaint of the new command system is the graphical interface slows down the input of the parameter values. To reconcile this, I added the /r command, which almost replicates the original d20 command. Before the update, to specify the number of dice to roll, you would have typed in /1d20 or 3d20 to roll 1 die or 3 dice respectively. All of the other parameters would have been entered in a specific order. With the new /r command, there is only one parameter, but you would have to type out all of the parameters as a value in order, separated by space. The first parameter is the target value, which is required. The remaining parameters are optional, and they are the number of dice, then the difficulty, then the success range, and then finally the complication range. The d6 command now renders emojis as you would see them when you roll the physical dice. This is a small quality of life feature for those who don't want to interpret numbers. Momentum and threat pool management have been updated as well. Previously, you would have to specify add, subtract, or set the value of the pool. Now you can incrementally add or subtract with the /m or /t followed by the menu subcommand to bring up the graphical interface to increment the pool up or down. This means anyone can interact with this interface to manipulate the pool. If you want to set the pool value directly, you can use /m or /t followed by the set subcommand and then the value. Afterwards, a graphical interface will appear with the updated pool value and buttons to increment the pool up or down. The other commands I will leave for you to discover on your own. You can use the /help command to bring up the available commands with a brief description. or go to Majel's GitHub page to get a detailed explanation of what each command does. Majel has a dedicated beta and support Discord server in case you have any issues or feature requests. There are dedicated fans that are also there to answer questions if I'm not quick enough to respond. I do have a Patreon account to keep the lights on for Majel. It's not necessary to help with the cost of the server hosting and maintenance, but any help is appreciated. Links and websites mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you around.